Alright, well I got this problem in my new 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe SEL Plus where sometimes the sound won't come out of the driver door or the driver dash speaker. So for instance, if you move the sound to this left corner over here, bass only. Right corner, sound. Middle, back left, sound. Back right, sound. Driver, nothing. Now it works. The amp under the seat, there's this white connector and there's a big black connector behind it. If you disconnect this white connector and then you just plug it back in, sound works.